Hello and welcome to today's daily Leetcode challenge. Today we'll be solving question 1347, minimum number of steps to make two strings anagram. So we're given two strings of the same length, s and t. In one step you can choose any character of t and replace it with another character, any character that we want. Return the minimum number of steps to make t an anagram of s. And then the explanation of what an anagram is. A definition is an anagram of a string is a string that contains the same characters with different or same ordering. So the most important thing is to have the presence of all the characters and to have them in the correct quantity. So BAB is not an anagram of ABA because there's two B's in S and there's two A's in S. We could easily turn this into an anagram of BAB if we turn this A into B. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to have two counters, and this is done the following way. Counter is a structure that's present in Python by default. You can use it. And then we're just going to see what the difference. We're going to count the difference of all the characters in S and T. Initially it's going to be 1. Now, for the characters that exist, let's say chars. I'm going to say S set is going to be a set of S keys, and the same thing for T. And what I really want is this. Or I could just use S and T. Can I just do that? Let me print set turn 0. Quick check. Oops. What is S set? A, B. Oh. Can I just do this then? Chars. So what I want right now to get is a set of characters. Awesome, this works. A set of characters that are present in both of these input strings. So then I guess for C in set of S plus T, diff is absolute value of S, count of C minus T, count of C. And because we're counting twice, when we remove a character, when we're adding a character, we're also removing a character that wasn't needed there in the first place. So divided by 2. What am I getting? 2 plus equals. There we go. Yeah, so this is a pretty simple question or problem if you know how to do it quick. And 93rd percentile, this is perfect. I'm not going to go into what other solutions are doing because this is very straightforward. With that, let's end today's video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.